Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Daily Thoughts Challenge in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. If you tap on the quest button here, and there is array quest, there is quest that you need to challenge. This one, Challenger, play 15 challenge. So all you have to do to complete the quest is go to the challenge mode. You can tap the challenge mode, and as you can see, there are two options here. The first is TS24 Daily Challenge. You can tap it. So you have to fulfill this condition first. Line up minimum is 65 OVR. You can enter this challenge. There are three stages. The first stage is quarterfinal. You can play skill games. After you success, you can promote into the semifinals. You get 100 gem. And the last, the finals. This is like a head-to-head match. So you can get two mixed version player with OVR between 80 and 99. So please complete this challenge 15 times. 1, 2, 3. So there are total 3 challenges that you can play here. So good luck, try to complete this TS24 Daily Challenge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click the next button below. See you in the next video.